Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm driving a Ferrari.
What a vlogger. He's a vlogger.
I said, I feel like Alyssa's back home because he talks to it. I'm like, are you talking to me? Oh, you're talking to the camera.
You never vlogged before, Dad? Or you like... There he goes.
I'll show you in the car.
Dad, you better make us proud and hit it hard. Go, Dad. Nice. You sent it.
Yes, we got video of it.
Yeah. Did it feel like you were pushed
I
back?
feel like I only did 3 laps though.
No, you did 4.
You did 4. We paid attention.
Like, that was fast.
Right?
It was good.
You did
fun.
great. Oh.
Did you get some good footage of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That's so cool.
It was very cool. Fun times.
Fun time.
But it went fast. It felt like 1 lap, but I did 4. It was awesome. Definitely. Where we going, Emery?
The Cheesecake Factory.
Nice.
I don't like it.
You made a big mistake coming over here. I'll give you a 3-second head start to get lost. 1, 2, 3.
Let's step on it. Yeah, Look, it's lifting the thing up.
Your soul will be mine forever.
What is this one?
Crazy faces in this one. Ugh. Oh god. Oh my god. Weird. Did you see that weird one? Mm. And wait, 50% off.
Because you can't see me smiling.
Cotton candy, party treats, sweet little things like you. I love to eat.
All right, guys, we're over at the factory where they make all the Halloween costumes. Rubies, Belleville, New York. Daughter Alyssa Rose is also vlogging right next to me and probably giggling at me for doing this. I'm probably not going to vlog much because I'm a little bit embarrassed, I'll tell you the truth. So.
You've been walking with me, you're embarrassed?
No, not walking with you, but when once I get there, it's going to be weird. I don't like doing it in front of people. Just saying. Guess takes getting used to. We're going to go stand next to the Hulk. See how big he is. It's me standing under the Hulk. That's how big he is. Look at his fist. Punching me in the head. Man, Chewbacca. How you doing? Joker. How you doing?
Ooh. Oh, God.
That was Marilyn Monroe, is it? Look at this dude. Let's look at this one.
Oh, God.
This guy's happy.
How about this one?
Who's that?
You better shake up. You better understand. To my heart, I must be true. Nothing left for me and you. You're the one that I want. You are the one I want.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a quick follow-up on the raised garden. We're gonna throw some dirt in there and get some plants planted. Just a quick follow-up, figured you guys might enjoy. Right here is the what we call flower and vegetable garden soil that's going in it. Stay Green, Home Depot has it. It's 2 cubic feet in the bag. I got 2.5 bags. Hopefully that is what's gonna fit in here. So I'm gonna put this camera down and I'm gonna load it up. Okay, that's one bag. Going to get the other one. These things are heavy. Okay, so that's the half-size bag, 1 cubic feet, a little easier to carry. All right, that's it. She's filled up, and we'll get Mama Rose over here to start planting.
Hi. First, wear your gloves, especially if you just got a fresh manicure. I bought 6 of them, $1 each at Walmart. I'm a good saver.
What kind of plants are they, may I ask?
They're Mom's. I got purple and yellow, and I went back today and they were all gone. Take your pot, look, $1. Squeeze it. Okay, so we're gonna do yellow, purple, right?
Yeah.
I'll dig a hole, pretty much a big piece of this. Ooh, nice and cold. And you put it on top. You think it's too low?
No.
Is that all the dirt?
Yes.
Then you go to the next one, do yellow.
Mm-hmm.
$1. Go right here, maybe. Even them out. Here. Yeah, you should have been over me the whole time.
It tipped. I'm trying to do an overhead shot, but it's...
I don't know if you know this about me, but ask Alyssa, but I do a lot of fake plants and they make fun of me, but they look good. So if these live, hopefully with this nice dirt that DIY dad got me. See? Okay, look. Take a nice view of it. How pretty. And
You better water them.
I'm gonna do it right now because they're a little saggy. See, I wanted to get one for here, but they didn't have any left. Oh, it looks so pretty. I like it.
Okay, so there you are, everyone. That's the plants going into the raised garden.
Let me get my watering can. Wait, come over here. Show them this. Those gloves are Show them right here, this fake plants right here, which are real
Fake.
one growing out there with a hairy little ball on it. Look at that little spike ball.
Let's have a little segment called What is this plant? Does anybody know?
Okay, over here, look.
Does anybody have an idea? I know what it is, but let's see if you know what it is.
Look at this nice fake plant, and this just sprung in the middle. Hobby Lobby. Yeah, this is a real one. This is real.
Real.
Show them the garden over here, and then you could be back to your video.
That's our tree. There's the cars.
They're like, whoa, you did that good. Sorry, Dad, love you while you're editing.
When I was younger.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Well, what if I decide not to be it? What is it? How much is it?
It's alright, you can wear it tonight.
How did I know? Yeah, you got that on film. How did I know you were going to go there? Well, show the process in the next time, you know, what's in your garage. And there you go. Take a nice view of it.
This is not a What's in Your Garage segment because this is outside of the garage.
Oh, I thought you
So
said
this is just a little add-on, a little extra follow-up of the raised garden.
Didn't somebody say you should say, and what's in your garage? Mom's plants.
Excuse me, this is my channel, and I do what I want to do.
That's my glove.
That will be in the blooper segment. Oh, that's scary. I want to buy that one.
How do you feel like putting your camera up? Like, are you like embarrassed that people?
I'm
like
embarrassed.
It? You are?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You think people are like gonna say something?
People are like, look at this
Like, what the hell
asshole.
is he doing?
Look at this asshole.
You're doing it. What are you talking about?
Bogging himself at 55 years old.
Oh shit! Things stopped.
That was a malfunction.
What happened? You just hit me in the butt with it?